Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can join a 2025 prediction trend on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to open up my camera. Okay, and then we need to find the 2025 prediction folder or effect on our Instagram story. So this is the folder, and if you cannot find this folder here, you can go to the folder or the effect list on Instagram. You just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find the symbol, and here you'll be able to find the 2025 prediction, or you can click on the search menu and then you can search for 2025 prediction just like this, and the folder will appear on your Instagram, and you just need to click on the folder and you will be able to use the folder to record your video. Okay, I'm going to record myself guys with this folder. Okay guys, and this is my prediction in 2025, just for fun guys. And if you want to post the result to your Instagram story, you just need to click on your story right here. But before you post it to your Instagram story, you will be able to edit the video. You can add a sticker or maybe tags to your video, and to make it more fun, I'm going to add music. I'm going to add random music from the Instagram. I'm going to select this one. Okay, I'm gonna click on done, and then once you're ready to post your video, you can click on your story right here, and then the video will be posted to your Instagram story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to join a 2024 prediction trend on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.